Welcome to DiscoveryDepot-YT. In today's video, we'll dive deep into the world of digital assets as we explore OKX Wallet, a powerful tool for managing cryptocurrencies, NFTs, and more. Stay tuned till the end for a complete breakdown. The world of cryptocurrencies, NFTs, and decentralized finance can seem complex and intimidating. With so many new terms, technologies, and platforms emerging every day, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. But don't worry, you're not alone. Many people are just beginning to explore this fascinating digital frontier. OKX Wallet acts as your trusted guide, simplifying this exciting new world. It breaks down the barriers to entry, making it easier for anyone to get started. Whether you're looking to buy your first Bitcoin, explore the world of NFTs, or dive into decentralized finance, OKX Wallet has got you covered. Think of it as your all-in-one digital wallet, a secure and user-friendly platform to manage all your digital assets. With OKX Wallet, you can store, send, and receive a wide variety of cryptocurrencies with just a few taps. The app's intuitive design ensures that even those new to the crypto world can navigate it with ease. Whether you're a seasoned crypto enthusiast or just starting, OKX Wallet provides the tools and features you need to navigate the digital finance landscape with ease. From real-time price tracking to secure storage solutions, everything you need is right at your fingertips. The app also offers educational resources to help you understand the intricacies of the crypto world. Imagine a world where you can send money across borders in seconds, own unique digital art, and even earn interest on your crypto holdings. With OKX Wallet, this isn't just a dream, it's a reality. The app supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies and NFTs, allowing you to explore and invest in the digital assets that interest you the most. This is the power of blockchain technology, and OKX Wallet puts this power directly in your hands. Blockchain technology ensures that your transactions are secure, transparent, and immutable. With OKX Wallet, you can take full advantage of these benefits, knowing that your digital assets are protected by cutting-edge security measures. With its intuitive interface and robust features, OKX Wallet empowers you to explore the full potential of the decentralized world. The app is designed to grow with you, offering advanced features for experienced users while remaining accessible to beginners. Whether you're trading, investing, or simply exploring, OKX Wallet is your gateway to the digital world. OKX Wallet isn't limited to just one type of digital asset. It's designed to be versatile and comprehensive, catering to the diverse needs of the modern crypto enthusiast. It's like a universal remote control for your crypto. Imagine having the power to manage all your digital assets from one place, effortlessly switching between them as you would with channels on a TV. You can store, send, and receive a wide variety of cryptocurrencies, from the well-known Bitcoin and Ethereum to a universe of altcoins. This means you have the flexibility to diversify your portfolio and explore new opportunities in the ever-evolving crypto market. Think of it as a digital Swiss Army knife for your crypto needs. Just like a Swiss Army knife, which is equipped with multiple tools for different tasks, OKX Wallet is packed with features to handle various aspects of your digital assets, but it doesn't stop there. The wallet is constantly evolving, adding new features and capabilities to keep up with the fast-paced world of digital finance. OKX Wallet also supports NFTs, which are unique digital assets that represent ownership of things like digital art, collectibles, and even virtual real estate. This opens up a whole new realm of possibilities for digital ownership and investment. Imagine owning a piece of your favorite artist's work or a rare collectible card, all secured on the blockchain. This not only gives you a sense of ownership but also a way to support and invest in the digital art and collectibles market. That's the power of NFTs, and OKX Wallet makes it easy to manage and trade them. With a user-friendly interface and robust security features, you can confidently explore the world of NFTs, knowing your assets are safe and easily accessible. Beyond just storing and trading, OKX Wallet offers additional functionalities like staking, lending, and borrowing. These features allow you to earn passive income, leverage your assets, and participate in the broader DeFi ecosystem. With real-time market data and analytics, you can make informed decisions and stay ahead of the curve. OKX Wallet is not just a storage solution, it's a comprehensive tool for managing and growing your digital wealth. Whether you're making a payment, investing in new assets, or simply managing your portfolio, OKX Wallet provides a seamless and secure experience. It's your gateway to the future of digital finance, putting a universe of assets right at your fingertips. Security is paramount in the world of digital assets, where every transaction and every piece of data needs to be protected from potential threats. In this digital age, safeguarding your assets is not just an option, but a necessity. And OKX Wallet takes it seriously. With a commitment to providing top-notch security, OKX Wallet ensures that your digital assets are always safe and secure. Imagine your digital assets are stored in a high-security vault, protected by multiple layers of security measures. This vault is impenetrable, designed to keep out even the most sophisticated cyber threats. That's the level of protection OKX Wallet offers. It's like having a personal fortress for your digital wealth, ensuring that your assets are always under lock and key. Your assets are protected by advanced encryption technology, ensuring that only you have access to them. This encryption is state-of-the-art, making it virtually impossible for unauthorized users to gain access. Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security, requiring you to confirm your identity through a separate device. This means that even if someone gets hold of your password, they still can't access your assets without your secondary verification. And for ultimate peace of mind, OKX Wallet offers biometric security options, such as fingerprint or facial recognition, to further safeguard your assets. These biometric measures ensure that only you can unlock your digital wallet, providing an unparalleled level of security. With OKX Wallet, you can rest easy knowing that your digital assets are protected by the best security measures available. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, OKX Wallet provides the peace of mind you need to manage your digital wealth confidently. Section 4. Smooth transactions, minimal costs. Sending and receiving digital assets should be as easy as sending a text message, and with OKX Wallet, it is. Imagine sending money to a friend across the globe with just a few taps on your phone, all with minimal fees. OKX Wallet streamlines the transaction process, making it quick, easy, and affordable. Say goodbye to high transaction fees and lengthy processing times. With OKX Wallet, you can send and receive cryptocurrencies and NFTs quickly and efficiently, all while keeping more of your hard-earned money. Section 5. Dive into NFTs and DeFi. OKX Wallet isn't just a storage solution, it's your gateway to the exciting worlds of NFTs and DeFi. Imagine exploring a vibrant marketplace where you can buy, sell, and trade unique digital art, collectibles, and other NFTs. With OKX Wallet, you can easily connect to NFT marketplaces and discover a world of digital creativity. You can also explore the world of DeFi, where you can earn interest on your crypto, lend and borrow assets, and access a range of decentralized financial services, all directly from your wallet. Section 6. Your wallet everywhere you go. In today's fast-paced world, you need access to your digital assets wherever you are. OKX Wallet is available as a mobile app for both iOS and Android devices, as well as a browser extension. Imagine managing your crypto portfolio while waiting for your coffee or checking your NFT collection on your lunch break. With OKX Wallet, you can seamlessly switch between devices without compromising security or convenience. Your digital assets are always at your fingertips. Section 7. Take control of your digital future. OKX Wallet empowers you to take control of your digital financial future. With its user-friendly interface, robust security features, and support for a wide range of digital assets, OKX Wallet is your ultimate companion in the world of cryptocurrencies, NFTs, and DeFi. Don't be intimidated by the complexities of the digital asset space. OKX Wallet simplifies the experience, making it accessible and enjoyable for everyone. Download OKX Wallet today and start exploring the endless possibilities of the decentralized world. Your digital future awaits.